Hi guys, today I will teach you how to set up Google Analytics account if you don't have a cPanel access of your website, and how to deploy the code of Google Analytics tracking code onto your website if you have a WordPress website. How to do that through a plugin. I will teach you each and everything. So first go to analytics. So once it gets open, so if you already have an account and you have disabled the account, so you can create a new account. You can create as many accounts as you can want in the same Google Analytics. So put your website's name here. If you are selling products, then you can take this particular point, but I suggest that you can leave this point and take the benchmarking, technical support, and account specialist. So you can go to next, then type in your website's name. As I live in India, so I'll probably set it to India, and my currency, Indian currency, is Indian rupees. And Google Analytics Pro, this is a GA4 account, which is the latest version of Google Analytics, but I prefer using only Universal Analytics as it is very simple to track the data, and it also shows it is not very difficult to set up. So I'll go with the easiest way here. Pick up your link, drop your link. As it is saying, create both GA4 and Universal Analytics property. So I'll prefer creating only Universal Analytics property only. So I'll click on next as it's a small business, and click on all these points according to your needs. Then go to create, accept. You will get a tracking code that you need to put this on the header section of your website. So I'll copy the code. Once I copy the code, I'll go to my WordPress admin section, go to the plugins. As I've already installed the plugin header footer code manager, go to the settings of this, go to add new snippet. As soon as you add new snippet, go to click, as it is a JavaScript, so I'll select the JavaScript. I want to deploy the code on the whole website, so it is a site wide. Then in the header section, I want to put the code in the header section of the page. My active is the status. I'll paste my code here and save. Once I save, and don't forget to update. Once I save and update, I go to my Google Analytics account in order to check if the code is properly working or not. So in order to check if the code is properly working or not, you need to go to the overview section of your website. As it is currently not showing any users here, so I'll go and check if the code is properly present on the website. Yes, the code has been deployed, and see, the code is present here. So refresh the page, again refresh it. It is still not showing any users, active users, so don't worry. It's probably And you can also see what organic users have come to your website, what paid users have come to your website, what are the referral traffic. So you can apply these. As you can see, this is a new setup of account, so I don't have any data to show, but this is how you segment the audience, and in order to see more properly and more of an insight of your audience, so you can add your segment from here. So that's it. These are simple easy steps to add Google Analytics account and deploy the code through WordPress. Just remember, this is a plugin. You have to use this plugin in order to deploy the code onto your website. And the plugin is working perfectly fine, and it is also showing the active user on the website. So yes, the code is working perfectly fine. Thank you so much. And this is my first video, so kindly show some love and share as much as you can. And my next video will be related to Google Analytics, how to set goals, what should be seen in the user's flow, what is the acquisition, how do you track traffic through channels, stream apps, source medium, and everything. I'll teach you in my next video. So thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you have a good day.